Former Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara tags Senators Joel Villanueva and Jinggoy Estrada, as well as former Senator Bong Revilla and Ako Bicol Representative Zaldi Co to budget insertions and kickbacks in relation to flood control projects. At the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Tuesday, September 23, Alcantara also tags former Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Robert Bernardo as his boss in the country's anomalous flood control projects.
Ayon kay Yusek Bernardo, ang GAA insertions ng 2024 na magkakalaga ng 300 para po 300 milyon na para kay, sabi niya po sa akin, para kay Senator Bong Revilla na noon ay kumandidato bilang senador para sa 2025. Sinabihan ako ni Yusek Bernardo, Henry, kay Sed Bong yan, baka gusto mo tumulong sa kanya.
Later, he says Villanueva did not ask for a specific project or percentage, but Bernardo reportedly ordered that he be given a project equivalent to 25% or 150 million pesos.
Nabigyan si Senator Joel ng proyektong unprogrammed operations ng 2023, nagkakalaga ng 600 million na pawang mga flood control, yung mga proyekto at kung saan susumahin na 25% ng proponent ay may halaga na 150 million.
Alcantara says he brought the 150 million pesos with him to a rest house in Barangay Igulot, Bukayo in Bulacan. According to Alcantara, he handed the money to Villanueva's employee named Peng. After this, the former district engineer says that he had no further contact with Peng. As for Estrada, Alcantara recalls Bernardo mentioning the 355 million peso fund for the senator. However, Alcantara insists that he had no direct communication with Estrada.
Sa kay Senator Jinggoy naman po, sa pagkakatanda ko, nasa 2024 budget hearing kami sa Senado. Kasama ko si Yusek Bernardo. Sa pagitan ng alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng gabi, habang kami naghihintay, tinanong ako ni Yusek Bernardo kung mayroon pa akong gustong lagyan at mayroon pang available na 355 si SJE. Ayon po kay Yusek Bernardo.
Regarding Ko, the former district engineer says he met the lawmaker in September 2021 and discussed how to secure funds for various projects into Alcantara's district. After a month, Alcantara says he submitted a list of projects related to flood control.
Noong August 20 o September 2021, nagkakilala kami ni Congressman Zaldi Co sa isang pagtitipon meeting sa Shangri-La, Bonifacio. Doon ay napag-usapan namin ang plano ni Kong Zaldi na sumubok na magbaba ng pondo papunta sa aking distrito para sa iba't ibang proyekto.